Congratulations on accepting an offer on your home. This is the first step in the escrow process, and I'm excited to be working with you to get to the closing table. So here's a few important things to keep in mind during the escrow process. First, we'll talk a bit about your transaction coordinator. TC is the person who's going to be responsible for keeping track of all the paperwork and deadlines involved in this sale. They'll also be working with you to make sure that you're properly disclosing everything you know about the property to your buyer. The escrow company and your escrow officer is the neutral third party who holds all the funds from the sale and will disperse them to the appropriate parties once the sale's complete. Then we've got your title company and your title officer. And they're going to do a title search to make sure that the buyer has clear title to the property when the ownership transfers. And they'll also be responsible for insuring the title against any defects. We've also got some important dates to mention. Obviously, your acceptance date and your scheduled close of escrow date are the most important, but we also have some contingency periods and other deadlines within our escrow process that are going to be important to pay attention to as well. No need to remember all of this though, because I am definitely going to be sending you regular updates, keeping you abreast of where we're at throughout the whole process so you don't have to stress about any of it. I'm excited to help you through this process and get you to the closing table as soon as possible.